Hey, this is Sherman Cox. I wanted to talk a little bit about the beginnings of this new series where I'm going to be working through Piano for All. Why did I select Piano for All? Well, first of all, I began working through Piano for All maybe 3, 4 years ago. I don't know, something along those lines. And I got a lot of success from it. I only worked through the first book. There's 9 books, 8 or 9 books, I'm not sure, but I worked through the first book, which is basically 10 patterns, 10 rhythm patterns, as well as teaching you some chords and that type of thing. But it's basically 10 patterns, which is going to help you uh, to play accompaniment kind of piano. And so I worked through that, and I did pretty well. I didn't really fully pay attention to what I was doing. There's some videos and that type of thing. So because of that, I'm going to go back through book one, and then go on into the next books. This is something that is a little less taxing than, say, the John Thompson method that I'm working through. In the other video series. But in this one, I'm just gonna work through it, play through it. I went ahead and I actually a while ago printed out the whole thing. I printed out, got the PDFs, printed out the whole thing, and it's a number of pages. These pages are not very dense. They're pretty, as you can see, a lot of white space and that type of thing, which is why it's so big. But it is definitely a very helpful method that helped me in the uh, progressing in just doing accompaniment kinds of playing. And so, because of that, I'm going to go back through it and go back through it completely this time. And just go ahead and post from time to time what I'm learning in that particular system. As I said before, I went through book one already, so I'm going to go through book one again. I don't want to fly under a false flag. I'm not a complete beginner, as you know. I've done some. I am a beginner, but I'm not a complete beginner. So this is not going to be from the very beginning, but I should see some improvements as a result of this. Again, Piano for All. I encourage you, if this is of interest to you at all, to click in the link to go ahead and purchase Piano for All. You can get it in various venues. I got mine from Udemy, but you can get it off of their website, pianoforall.com. Check it out if it's helpful to you. Again, this is a chord based approach that is seeking to largely teach you how to accompany. Now, it says later on down in the course that it's going to also teach you um, to teach you even classical kinds of playing. It's definitely an introduction to that kind of playing. So it's going to be interesting to see how that aids or supplements my going through the John Thompson modern course for piano. But again, this is going to go through Piano for All. This is a supplement to the John Thompson. And let's see how this goes. Till next time, blessings, y'all.